Everybody, this is day 24. I weighed myself this morning and I weighed 206.8, I believe. So that's good. I was trying to get down to 200 by Sunday or maybe Monday. That'd be awesome. So I'm gonna have a steak tonight though. I'm gonna get some protein. I don't know if I've been getting enough protein, so I want some protein. So I'm gonna get a steak. Eat a steak, and that's about it. So we're getting ready to go get a steak. I'm gonna eat steak and vegetables. So that's what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna take this this dose. Wait a minute, it's 45, 46. This is 47. Yeah, dose 47. Day 24. So that's what this is. So here we go. Almost time to make a new batch. Phase 4. Alright, there it is. So I will see you guys tonight before I go to work. And then tomorrow I'm going to do the diet, go to work, and then I got to drive to Alabama to pick up a car. So, alright, I will see you guys tonight.